give him all the praise. Hallelujah, name above all names. Fire in his eyes, healing in his veins. Everywhere his glory on display. Take a look at those stars, he can name them all. Before his throne every knee falls. The demons have to run and the angels have to praise. Even the winds and waves obey. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power and love. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power and love. Our God is an awesome God. And even when I ran, He didn't run away. He came and put death back in its place. Friday on the cross, broken for my shame. Sunday morning rose up from that grave. Take a look at those scars on his hands and feet. He saved our souls for eternity. Worthy is the Lamb. Glory to the King. Oh, let all the saints and the angels sing. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power and love. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power and love. Our God is an awesome God. Eyes on the sky, there will be a day He will come and wipe our tears away. No more fear, no more pain, no more sorrow, sin or shame. Yeah, the King is coming back again, a reign of love that will never end. For everything you've done and everything you do and everything you are, I'll sing to you. My God, you're an awesome God. You're great in all you do. I'm made to worship you. My God, you're an awesome God. What an awesome, awesome God you are. No one like you, none beside you. God, we worship you.